Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What is meant by butterfly effect? Have you ever heard of the butterfly effect? It's a concept that suggests that small actions can have significant and far-reaching consequences. The term comes from the idea that the flap of a butterfly's wings in one part of the world could set off a chain reaction that ultimately leads to a hurricane in another part of the world. In our daily lives, it's easy to overlook the consequences of our actions, especially when they seem insignificant. Consider the following scenario. You're walking down the street and see a piece of litter on the ground. You may think that picking it up and properly disposing of it won't make much of a difference in the world. We may think that one small decision or action doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things. But the truth is that even the smallest actions can have ripple effects that extend far beyond our immediate surroundings. But what if everyone thought the same way? What if nobody ever picked up litter? But what if everyone thought the same way? What if nobody ever picked up litter? The world would be filled with trash and pollution. By taking a small action to pick up that one piece of litter, you're not only making the immediate area cleaner, but you're also setting an example for others to follow. Small actions can also have significant impacts in our personal lives. For example, taking a few minutes each day to express gratitude for the people and things in our lives can improve our mental health and overall well-being. Similarly, making small changes to our daily routines, such as getting more exercise or eating healthier, can have long-lasting effects on our physical and mental health. The butterfly effect isn't just a theoretical concept. It's backed by scientific research. Chaos theory, which is the study of complex and nonlinear systems, has shown that small changes in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes. In business, small actions can also have big consequences. For example, a small change in the design of a product can lead to increased sales and revenue. A small improvement in customer service can lead to increased loyalty and positive word of mouth. By focusing on small actions and improvements, businesses can achieve significant results over time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.